biggest walk-through aviary in India. Here you can see a rare fowl called Silkie hen. This aviary has 40 to 50 birds or 17 species. You have many peacocks, different kinds of pheasants, cocks, hen, black swans, doves, etc. Here you can clearly see the difference between other hen and Silkie. In the case of Silkie, the region in and around the beak is black. It gets along well with all the birds. It is given fruits, grains, sprouts, greens, and many other kinds of food. Thank you for watching.